Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is potatoes with cumin. Aloo Jeera. Here are all the ingredients. Please pause and check. Add oil in a wok or any saucepan. Finely chopped onions. Cook them on medium to high heat. Soften them and add your potatoes. Potatoes are medium cooked. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes on high flame. Garlic and all your spices. There's a lot of spices which gives the flavor because it's only potatoes. Mix well. Add tomatoes which are also finely cut. Fresh green chilies. Place the lid. Let it simmer on the lowest heat. Check after 5 to 6 minutes. Once the potatoes have softened, add your fresh coriander. Here we have the finished dish. Absolutely delicious. Serve with fresh naan, salad and chutney. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.